This is the Norse Rescue Small Trauma Kit. Now we can configure these however you want, but this is typical items that are inside. So on the bottom here you'll see there's a tourniquet. Now this is the blue ones, this is just one we use for training. If you do use a blue tourniquet, the reason we have training ones slightly different is they are being put on and off regularly, whereas tourniquets are really a single-use product. If you had to use it in an emergency, it will still work as normal. So a tourniquet just sits on the bottom of this pouch. It's got fastening on the front to keep everything inside. You can put it onto belts, so it's quite a simple, easy one to carry around, or something you can just pop into the glove box of your car. Once you open it up, you've got some basic items in here to deal with a life-threatening bleed. So to start with, we put WoundClot inside. You can have this whichever size. This one here is the 8x20, which is great because you can tear it if you need to. So you've got multiple cuts, you just literally tear it and put it onto the cuts. We then have a emergency bandage. So this would be what you put onto the wound. So you can put the WoundClot on and you can pop this over the top. It's very good. It's not a standard dressing, so it's very good for dealing with any serious bleed and life-threatening bleed. And you've also got some compressed gauze, which can be used for all sorts of things, but it's good for packing out wounds. So if you pop the WoundClot into a very deep cut and you need to pack it, then you can use this as well. So it's compressed, so once you open it up, it will come back into shape. You see it's quite a brick shape at the minute. However, it's very good because it will all open up and you can use it for packing. But also, if you need to clean an area up, that's another thing that's very good. And what you can do with the kit, if you're using an emergency, is literally open it up and pull, and then all the items come out. So if you had this on your waist, the advantage of this kit is you can literally open it up and pull this out, and then the tourniquet you can pull off the bottom. So it's a very good, easy, quick access. Not massive amounts of equipment in it, but if you're carrying something around with you and you just want the key basics to deal with a life-threatening bleed, then this kit's got everything you need.